Hello there, it's Haley with the Armageddon Report. If you can read, then you can see the words severe thunderstorms expected over parts of central and eastern Kansas and west central Missouri this afternoon and evening. If you click on that, you get to see this is the Storm Prediction Center's public weather outlook, and they might even have a video, it looks like. So you can even watch that if you want to see a video, but it was produced most likely in the morning and might be quite out of date by now. So anyway, we'll go back here. So we've got as high as moderate risk in Kansas and Missouri, of course, and then South Carolina, maybe a bit of Georgia is in a slight risk as well. And as you can see, if you can also read, significant hail and strong tornadoes would be possible today. So here is the wind map where there is no significant wind predicted. That would be the tornado element. That is the significant wind event. So over here as high as 30% for the wind probability, and then over here in the South Carolina, Georgia area, we've got the 15%. Hail, similar story, we've got 15% over there, and then over here we've got as high as a 45% chance, and then a black hatched area. So the 45% area means that for people in that area, there's nearly a 1 in 2 chance that either the person in that area will see a severe hail event, or someone within 25 miles of them. That's what the 45%. And then the black hatched area indicates where the models or whatever are indicating that very large hail. It's 2 inches and larger is indicated. It doesn't mean it will happen, but it's more likely than elsewhere. So like, for instance, you can still have very large hail over here. It's just not as likely to happen as it is in the black hatched area, but more importantly, the tornado graphic. So, South Carolina and Georgia, nothing going on with tornadoes apparently. But over here, as high as a 15% chance today for tornado risk, and then in the black hatched area, which basically looks like it overlaps with the 15% area, that's where EF2, a greater tornado. So again, doesn't mean that there won't be like an EF2, a stronger tornado outside of the significant, but that's where the models, whatever. I keep saying that word as though I even know what a model is. Anyway, that's where the stuff is saying that it's more likely to occur. Doesn't mean it will, but it's more likely. So tomorrow, though, we've got stuff going on as well. Oklahoma and Texas. And then what have we got? Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, maybe Kentucky, maybe it's Midwest Virginia, don't know, with slight risks. And then it looks like it's pretty much connected. So this is the severe probabilities, whereas this indicates, this whole big areas apparently where just thunderstorms in general are possible. But anyway, this is the specifically severe weather map. Right, so here's your 2 slight risk areas and then the 5% area connecting them. Day 3, back down to 5%. And we've got another heart-shaped looking thing. There was some, I think it was March, where there was a heart-shaped looking object somewhere, predicting 5% type probabilities. And then over there, 5%. So maybe it'll get upgraded. Like for instance, yesterday, I think it was only a 5%, now it's up to 15, I don't remember. And then day 4 through 8, again, nothing long-term, being currently predicted. Predictability too low as opposed to probability too low, though. So this means that there is severe weather on the horizon, but it's not certain enough yet where it's going to be, or how bad it's going to be, or whatever, for them to actually put something on the map and say, yes, we are quite serious about this area here. And speaking of being serious or something, so this pops up anytime there's like a moderate risk and higher. I believe that's when the Storm Prediction Center issues public weather outlooks, also known as PWOs or something. Anyway, so if you're in one of these areas, you should definitely be paying attention today. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. There's weather.gov, there's the Storm Prediction Center, or, turning on the TV. So long as it's not just some random cable channel that's not going to cover the weather, because I guess that wouldn't really help, would it? Watch ESPN all day, unless storm chasing does become an official American sport. I could see that happening, we're kind of going that direction. But anyway, so pay attention today, stay safe, etc., and enjoy the weekend, so long as, your car, whatever, didn't get smashed up by a whole bunch of hail.